In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Repl in Replit. Make Repl in Replit. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. On that dashboard, click the highlighted Create option to start a new project. This opens the template gallery, which is the easiest way to get going fast. Spend a moment exploring the categories so you pick the right foundation for your idea. Click Web App to see templates designed for websites and full-stack projects. Click Mobile App if you want a starter geared toward mobile-friendly interfaces. Click Data App to explore templates focused on data analysis or dashboards. Click 3D Game to browse game-ready setups with graphics engines and starter scenes. Click Agents and Automations if you're interested in AI-powered workflows or scripted assistance. And click General to look at classic starter templates, from blank projects to common languages. After you've clicked through and compared a few options, choose the one that best fits your goal and click the highlighted action to open it. Once your workspace loads, look for the Agent Chat panel. In the chat box, type a clear prompt describing what you want the project to do. Be specific. Include the language, framework, or features you need so the assistant can scaffold the right files and structure. Then click Start to kick things off. The agent will propose code, explain steps, and help configure your environment. If anything breaks or you get an error, click back into the agent chat to debug your Repl. Paste the error message or describe the behavior you're seeing, and ask for a fix or a better approach. You can also request explanations of unfamiliar code so you understand what's being generated. Next, open the Build panel to organize the work. Click Make, Test, Iterate to focus on short, productive cycles. Make a small change, run it, and refine. Then click Ask questions. Plan your work to capture open questions, outline tasks, and keep your next steps clear. Using these sections helps you avoid wandering and keeps your project moving forward. When you're ready to see results, click Preview to launch a live view of your app. Use this to check layout, interactions, and performance. If something looks off, return to the editor or the agent chat, adjust, and preview again. Finally, when you're satisfied and ready to share, click Publish. Follow the prompts to make your Repl accessible to others. Publishing gives you a link you can share or embed so teammates and users can try it instantly. That's the full flow. Create, explore templates, build with the agent, iterate, preview, and publish.